Okay, we have
Two boats.
two boats. One with a bigger sail on purpose than the smaller sail.
Yeah, smart sail wins.
The smaller sail wins. You think it catches the wind a little better?
Yeah, and that big sail makes it heavier, so the top heavier, so it blows over. Oh, here's a gust of wind.
There's a gust of wind. Is it
It's-
moving?
There!
There it goes.
It's because it was right there, so
Yeah.
put it there.
Oh, yours is moving. No, mine's not. Oh, there it goes. Oh, mine keeps tipping over. That big sail makes it tip over.
And
now my big sail is too wet. All right, so we have discovered that the smaller sail works the best on that size boat. We'll have to
Here.
just replace that sail. All right,
Yeah.
good lesson. There it goes.